Imagine sitting across from Donald Trump and Robert Kiyosaki in a bustling New York cafe, their conversation crackling with the kind of energy that could launch 1,000 startups. They're not just swapping stories, they're unlocking the secret sauce that turns everyday entrepreneurs into Midas Touch giants. But here's the twist, it's not just luck or hustle. There's one key mindset they swear by, and it's not what you think. Ready to find out? Most entrepreneurs get trapped in the work grind, barely surviving week to week. Trump and Kiyosaki ditched that mindset for something radical, a builder's mindset that elevates business from grind to gold. Back in the 80s, Donald Trump took a huge bet on the Grand Hyatt in Manhattan. Instead of just flipping it for quick cash, he poured in vision, remodeling and repositioning it as a luxury destination. Sure, the risk was insane, but the payoff was a lasting empire, not just a one-hit wonder. Think of your business like a giant block of marble. You don't just chip at it randomly, you sculpt it with intent, smoothing rough edges to reveal value. Trump and Kiyosaki say this careful shaping, knowing what to keep, what to cut, creates gold, not gravel. Once you stop hustling aimlessly and start building strategically, small wins stack. That one hotel remodel became a chain. This compounding momentum turns side projects into cash machines and entrepreneurs into industry icons, your Midas touch in action. Most folks work for money. The legendary pair flips that script, making money their employee, not the other way around. Here's the blueprint to free yourself from paycheck slavery. Robert Kiyosaki's breakthrough came when he bought his first rental property with no money down. Instead of chasing paychecks, he had tenants pay his bills, effectively making money work for him. This wasn't magic, just smart leverage and mindset. Imagine a worker who never sleeps, asks no questions, and keeps producing. That's how your money should behave. Trump calls this putting your cash to work, like an employee grinding 24/7 to build your empire while you focus on bigger wins. The payoff, real freedom. When your investments in businesses generate steady cash flow, you're no longer tied to a desk, a boss, or a single paycheck. You own your time, and that's the ultimate Midas Touch reward. Here's a secret from your Midas Touch schoolmasters: failure isn't the enemy, it's the tuition. How Trump and Kiyosaki turn bombs into fuel for their next jackpot. Trump's massive losses in Atlantic City could have sunk him, but instead, he learned brutal lessons about market timing and debt. Instead of folding, he recalibrated, restructured, and came back stronger, turning that failure into a cornerstone of his empire. Think of failure as a GPS rerouting your trip. When you hit a dead end, you don't stop driving, you find a new road. Trump and Kiyosaki see every setback as instant data showing what not to do next time. That mentality transforms quitting into pivoting, shifting your tactics without losing your ultimate goal. That's why the Midas Touch isn't about avoiding failure. It's about failing fast and smarter to keep striking gold over and over. Back in that New York cafe, Donald and Robert laugh about the risks they've taken, but it's more than luck. The Midas Touch is a mindset, a playbook for turning your passion into lasting gold. So here's your shot. Pick one small risk to sculpt your business or make money work for you this week. Try it. See the magic start to happen. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.